Welcome to Review Rumble. The best heart molds is probably one of the most delightful tools for anyone looking to add a touch of love and sweetness to their homemade treats, transforming simple ingredients into beautiful, heartfelt confections perfect for special occasions like Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or just to show someone you care, making the process of crafting personalized chocolates both fun and incredibly rewarding for bakers of all skill levels. Number 5. Diamond-Faceted Silicone Heart Mold. This flexible and non-stick silicone mold ensures your creations easily pop out. Use it for elegant chocolate shells, mousse cakes, cheesecakes, and brownies. Its innovative star-style supports keep it steady even when filled, making it ideal for caterers and hosts. You can confidently carry it to the oven or your event venue. This mold carves sharp facets and defined shapes, creating beautiful diamond hearts. Your desserts will shine at weddings, anniversaries, and special proposals. The soft silicone ensures a clean release, preserving delicate edges. Simply oil it, cool, then press from the back for flawless results. Cleaning up is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe. It helps home bakers and decorators craft beautiful treats with minimal fuss. What we like? This mold stands out with its elegant diamond-faceted design, ensuring your creations look stunning and professional. Its stable built-in supports make it easy to transport, perfect for caterers or event hosts. If you're looking for a show-stopping dessert with a refined look and easy handling for special events, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Bakerpan 3-Pack Mini Silicone Heart Molds. Introducing the Bakerpan 3-Pack Mini Silicone Heart Molds. These versatile molds are perfect for creating delightful heart-shaped treats for any occasion. Crafted from LFGB-approved food-grade silicone, they ensure safe food contact. They are also BPA-free and conveniently dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Experience seamless transitions from oven to freezer with these molds. They are perfect for baking, warming in the microwave, or storing in the fridge. Ideal for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or any celebration, these molds let you create miniature fudges, chocolates, and keto-friendly protein cups. Explore culinary creativity by crafting jello, gummies, or even homemade frozen yogurt and ice cream. These molds offer a multitude of delightful possibilities. Their utility extends beyond the kitchen, making them perfect for crafts like crayons, soap, or resin projects. Add versatility to all your creative endeavors. What we like? This convenient 3-pack offers adorable mini heart molds, perfect for bite-sized treats. Their versatility extends beyond the kitchen, allowing for creative crafts like soaps or crayons. If you love making small, varied treats or enjoy DIY projects, these molds offer endless possibilities for your creative endeavors. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. Number 3. Bakerpan Silicone Heart Mold. Introducing the Bakerpan Silicone Heart Mold. These molds are crafted from LFGB-approved food-grade silicone, ensuring complete safety for all your culinary creations. They are also entirely BPA-free. Enjoy peace of mind with these durable molds, as they are completely dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Their robust design allows them to transition seamlessly from oven to freezer. These heart molds are ideal for special moments like Valentine's Day, anniversaries, and birthdays. Use them to create delightful treats for any festive occasion. Unleash your creativity with these versatile molds. Craft mini heart-shaped cupcakes, brownies, chocolate treats, or even homemade frozen yogurt and jello. Don't stop at sweets, these molds are perfect for savory dishes too. Make personal-sized quiches, pancakes, or even keto-friendly protein bars with ease. Their utility extends beyond the kitchen. You can use them to design charming heart-shaped soap bars or unique resin creations. Add a touch of love to your DIY projects. What we like? This mold is designed for individual portions, creating perfect mini heart-shaped cakes or brownies. It's incredibly versatile for baking, from personal cheesecakes to savory quiches. If you're looking to bake individual desserts or savory items with a charming heart shape, this mold is ideal for personalizing your culinary creations. What people say. Number 2. Valentine Breakable Heart Silicone Molds Kit. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive kit. It provides everything you need to make delightful, breakable chocolate hearts and more. This set includes a large breakable heart mold, smaller cavity molds, wooden hammers, and even letter and number molds. You'll have plenty of tools for diverse creations. Crafted from superior food-grade silicone, these molds are flexible, non-stick, and easy to clean. They are safe for use across a wide range of temperatures, from freezer to oven. The accompanying hammers are made from sturdy, natural wood for lasting durability. These molds are incredibly stable and non-stick, ensuring your creations come out perfectly every time. Simply invert them, and your heart-shaped treats will release without losing their integrity. They are soft, fadeless, and built for long-term use. Baking is made simple. Just mix your ingredients and pour them in to form beautiful diamond heart-shaped treats. Their high-quality silicone construction makes them flexible and reusable for countless baking sessions. These molds are perfect for creating romantic and surprising gifts for loved ones. Hide a special treat inside, and let the included wooden hammer reveal the surprise. It's an ideal present for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and other celebrations. What we like? This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a memorable breakable heart experience, including hammers and letter molds. The included accessories allow for personalized messages and a fun, interactive reveal. If you want to create a truly surprising and personalized gift with a dramatic reveal, this all-in-one kit is perfect for adding that extra special touch. What people say. The heart molds create perfectly shaped chocolates. The material ensures easy release of the chocolates. Number 1. Multi-size heart silicone molds. This versatile set provides 2 silicone molds, offering 8 distinct sizes. You can effortlessly create hearts of various dimensions for all your decorative needs. Crafted from high-quality silicone, they are reusable, non-stick, and incredibly easy to clean. These durable molds are designed to last, ensuring countless baking adventures. With a variety of sizes and unique designs, these molds help bring your sweet creations to life. Each heart will look perfectly charming and delightful. They are incredibly simple to use, allowing your finished products to release with ease. Their non-stick surface also makes cleanup a breeze, perfect for bakers of all skill levels. These molds are perfect for a wide range of applications, from candies and chocolates to intricate cake decorations. They make crafting various sweet treats much simpler and more enjoyable. What we like? This set provides 2 different sizes of heart molds, offering versatility for various decorative needs. They are incredibly easy to use and clean, making them perfect for novice bakers. If you need simple, reliable molds to create a range of heart-shaped decorations or treats with minimal fuss, these are a great starting point. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.